Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be styling my way this area of my counter. Come out with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Styling My Way, and the theme of this collab today is Hearts and Roses. It is an open collaboration, and the hosts are the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, which is myself, and Design with Emma. I also have some beautiful co-hosts, and that's Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Z9 Designs, Decorating with Jazzy Green, IB Doll, and Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley. All right, so as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now, if you guys know me well, I move stuff around until I like their placement. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and decorate this area my way. Come on with me. Now this was a beautiful tier tray. I did a video on it and it's so beautiful. It has the white roses, which are my favorite. And then we put some hearts in there, but we also put that pink bottle brush tree. And then I have that little Candyland house that I thrifted. And down there, I went ahead and put one of the little plastic candies from the Dollar Tree. It's with the seasonal stuff. And so I'm absolutely loving this tier tray. Now, if you see these jars at the Dollar Tree, and they come with different colors now. So if you do see them, pick them up, guys, because for $1.25, they are beautiful. is a topiary, and it has the white roses and some baby's breath. That's absolutely beautiful. And here I go moving stuff again. But I decided to go ahead and put this over. I moved it over to the right after I placed it on the counter, and we're going to put those hearts back. And yeah, let's see what else I bring to this counter. So if you guys see these conversation wooden hearts at the Dollar Tree, pick them up also. I can't believe how thick they're coming. And so that was a pretty nice touch to place there on the counter. So I'm just going to bring the candle shortly, and I have another surprise. Now I purchased a ceramic balloon dog at the Dollar Tree as well, but you had to paint it. So I decided to go ahead and do the blue, and I sprinkled him with some glitter. He looks absolutely amazing, and I thought it was a nice touch. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Now let's head on over to the reveal. Now remember to have an amazing day, and God bless you. Amen.